In this video, we are going to review the countertop symbols in your drawing library. We want to go ahead and detail out the cabinet, pick our shelf pins or drawer locks, and move our section annotations into the proper place before we send the cabinet to drawing. We also want to make sure that we have countertops on the wall, on the cabinet, just as they're going to be built if we want to use the auto text feature of the countertop symbol. So let's slide the section bar over and send this cabinet section to drawing. So let's drag this scene onto the page, hit the CAD button, go into the symbols library, and pick our drawer door table. We'll make up some numbers here for our scene for the architect's reference, and then we'll drop a PLAM countertop with auto text into the scene. So all of these things have been dropped into the scene. We'll go ahead and move things to where they're supposed to line up, and we'll exit CAD mode. Now you can see that the auto text has filled out and the table has filled out, so you have a completed scene with all the correct information in a matter of seconds. So now let's go ahead and create a second room, and in this room we'll go ahead and pick a 3 centimeter material for our new countertop for this room. We'll put the top on the cabinet. We can see that we have our top on. Now we'll go ahead and generate a cabinet section. This one will leave off some of the details because we're just showing you the countertop here. Once that's sent to drawing, we can go ahead and drag that scene onto a clean spot on the paper. And now we can go ahead and go into the symbols library and grab the 3 centimeter top that's there. Now in this instance, we're going to do some editing to the top once we've got it in place. There are so many ways to put a countertop together that we couldn't possibly include all of them in a single drawings library. So we have a lot of information on these tops, which you can just simply edit to meet your particular needs on a job. So we're going to go through how to edit these things. So I need to edit some of the text on this countertop so that it'll actually be correct for the type of top that we're using. So I need to ungroup the counter, then ungroup the call out, and delete the things that I don't want to have displayed. The auto text in this call out for the splash is correct at 2 centimeter. However, the countertop graphic needs to be adjusted from 3 centimeter to 2 centimeter. So I'm going to draw a CAD line vertically at the back of the splash. Next, I'm going to switch my measurement units to metric so that I can create a 2 centimeter offset from the first line that I drew. Now I can go ahead and grab the splash and use the center marker and drag it over and snap it to the 2 centimeter line. Now I'll just delete my 2 reference lines, and I have my splash now representing the correct 2 centimeter thickness. Since you're likely to need this section detail many times on the same set of drawings, what you can do is simply now drag a box, Control C to copy, Control V to paste, clean up any little extra things that got included in your drag, and then save this top as a group, and then save it into your symbols library. Name it something that you'll be able to find easy. Automatically all symbols that are new go to the bottom of the list in the category that you are picking, so you'll know right where it is. So let's say you decide this is going to be one of your permanent countertops that you'd like to include in the grouping with all of the other countertops. You can simply go into the drawings library and into the category where you saved it, and with the properties you can move it from one category to another, and there is an up down button where you can move the countertop up to be in the grouping with all of the other tops. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.